Hi, so I've got Jeffrey from ESR and he's just going to show us around some of the things they're launching here and showing off here. I've been working with ESR for a little while and I use this. This is the iPhone case that I use, pardon me. This is the iPad case that I use, which is, really, I like how secure it is for traveling and giving to my kids as well, especially, but it's got loads of different ways you can stand it up. You can also, can you show how you can like take that out?
It's detachable, yeah.
Yeah, and it sort of stands higher up, so you can change the height of it or different ways around as well. So really quite a cool, innovative product, I think. But you've got more interesting and newer things to show me, so we'll come around here.
Yeah, let's go check out our new Cryoboost Qi 2.2 products. So we have a new range of chargers for in the car, at home, or on the go. So this is our Qi 2.2 Cryoboost charger for the car. So it's Qi 2.2. But what makes it even better is it incorporates our own patented Cryoboost cooling system. So it cools your phone as it charges.
Oh, what does it? Well, that's good.
Yeah. So it charges faster even than it would with normal Qi 2.2.
So how is that working then? Is it
so there's a fan, there's the intake here, and then it cools the back of your phone where the heating occurs. So the heat doesn't build up on your phone while it's charging, and it charges, of course, much faster.
Yeah, that's really clever. Thank you.
Yeah, so for instance, the iPhone 16 Pro would charge in about a half hour from 0 to 50%.
This is a travel one, I suppose.
Yeah, this is a travel one.
And I'll just say as well, my wife has the travel charger as well and uses it all the time. And
okay, so she's
the
using
previous generation though, I guess.
Yeah, this is a big upgrade because not only is it in one piece, because the old one you could take out the Apple Watch charger. This is all in one. Now it looks pretty solid, right? But it's also very light. So it's easy to carry, it doesn't take up much weight, you can feel that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
A lot of people are surprised, wow, that's really light. So.
And I'm seeing on the back here, that's another fan, is it?
Oh yeah, that's the fan because this
it's Cryoboost as well.
Is also with Cryoboost, so it has the same performance as the car charger or the home charger. So again, it cools the back of your phone. So if you have an iPhone 16 or 17, you get the Qi 2.2 with the active cooling. Or if you have an older generation, still charges faster because of the active cooling.
Yeah, wow.
So it's 3-in-1, nice little design.
Yeah, cool.
It's brand new.
And my wife likes hers as well because it comes in a really nice travel set. So I suppose that'll be the same, a nice little case.
Oh, no case this time. Because people said the case was a bit big. So
too big, yeah.
So we really slimmed it down and
And again, she's got on her nightstand, she's got one of these or the previous generation of these as well.
Okay, yeah, I have the old one as well. I really like it. Mm-hmm. So this one is, again, like the old one, really quiet. It doesn't exceed 25 decibels, so it's like you can't even hear it. Mine is right next to my bed. I charge at night, which you're not supposed to do, but everyone does. And I can't hear it at all at night. So again, it's a 3-in-1 design. This is Qi 2.2 though, so it cools the back of your phone. And again, if you have an iPhone 16, it's about 25 minutes from 0 to 50%. iPhone 16 Pro goes to in about 30 minutes. You have the space for your AirPods. Apple Watch, it's Apple Watch certified. That's why it's white here, because that's the Apple rule. And then you have the
Apple rule is it's got to be white.
Yeah, it has to be white.
Okay.
That's their rule, their requirement. And then we have this. This is a difference from the previous generation. So some people said they wanted to be able to turn off the light and the fan at night. So there's a switch, you can turn them off.
Very useful. How cool is that?
Oh, this is just to show
the technology, the cooling technology.
Yeah, because
look at that.
Yeah. So yeah, this just shows how the fan works inside, and you can feel the breeze. So it's just an enlarged version.
Yeah, cool, and it is incredibly quiet. I mean, it's a very loud room, but it's really quiet.
Trust me, and even in a quiet bedroom, it's really quiet.
Yeah.
So
nice. Oh, thanks so much.
Okay.
So show me around.